Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Fiverr affiliate program resources for traffic tracking, complete guide step by step clearly. To start downloading Fiverr affiliate program resources, first, log in to your Fiverr affiliate dashboard. Once logged in, navigate to the resources section. Look for the marketing tools or resources tab on the left side of the dashboard. Click on that tab to access available resources. You will find various options such as banners, promotional links, and other marketing materials. Select the type of resource you wish to download for traffic tracking. If you want banners, click on the Banners option. Browse through the different sizes and styles available. Once you find a banner you like, click on the Download button next to it. For promotional links, go to the Links section. Copy the unique affiliate link provided for tracking visitors. Consider using a URL shortener for easier management of your links. After downloading the resources, organize them in a dedicated folder on your device. This will help you easily access and implement them in your marketing strategies. Once you have your resources in place, start sharing them across your social media and marketing channels. Regularly check your traffic reports in the Fiverr affiliate dashboard to track effectiveness. Adjust your strategies based on the data you gather for better results. Make sure to stay updated with any new resources Fiverr might add in the future. This will ensure that your marketing efforts remain fresh and effective. By following these steps, you'll successfully download and utilize Fiverr affiliate program resources for tracking traffic. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.